Are you ready to cook the violet bao? Let's go! Go on page 37 of your book, wash your hands and prepare your ingredients. You need flour, lukewarm water, sugar and dry yeast. In a bowl, mix the flour. You can use a spoon or chopsticks. Add the sugar and mix. In a small pot, put your dry yeast with lukewarm water and mix with a spoon. Crumble the yeast in your flour. And gradually add lukewarm water until you get a ball of dough. So mix with chopsticks or a spoon, and after you will mix with your hands. Knead the dough for 10 minutes, around 10 minutes. Oh, it's a little bit too sticky, so if it's the case for you, no worries, just add a little flour and knead again. And in the case it's too dry, you can add little water. So I put more flour. Continue to knead your dough. And after, let your dough rest in a bowl for 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. It should double in size thanks to the yeast. In the meantime, prepare your applesauce. So if you need, I put all the material list in the description of the video. So let's start. You have to peel your apples. Be careful. Cut the apples into quarters and take off the earth of the apple. I will show you a little tip to protect your fingers. Fold your fingers like a bird's claw and put your fingers on the apple. Like this. Cut and shift your fingers as you go. If you prefer, you can use a finger guard. Put it in a saucepan. Add the water and the violet syrup. Cook over low heat for around 10 minutes. Ask an adult to help you for this step. Your apples become soft. Applesauce is ready. It smells so good, the violet. And in your kitchen? Now it's time to mix everything. If you want, you can add food coloring. I use natural colors made with fruits and veggies extracts. New step, stuff the bowl. So roll out your dough between 2 sheets of baking paper. To give your dough a rounded shape, roll out, turn your paper, roll out, and so on. I will show you how to stuff for one bao, but if you want smaller bao, you can use cutters. Put applesauce in the center of your dough. Don't put too much applesauce. And close your bao. So fold the dough with your fingers. You can ask an adult, your sister or your brother to help you if you prefer. If your dough is too sticky, you can put little flour on your hands. Your bao is ready. You can put it in a bamboo basket. Fill a saucepan with cold water, place a rack on your pan and put your bamboo basket on it. Cook for 10-15 minutes after the water is boiling. Enjoy! Thank you for helping us to make the recipe of the violet bao. I hope you like it. Thanks to you, we were able to help Tao, Capucine and their friends discover a new clue.
You must go to Hangzhou.
Yes, let's go to Hangzhou. See you soon and thanks again for your help. Bye bye.